The best architectures, requirements and design emerge from self-organising teams. The quality of the final product is highly dependent on how the team is organised. Every team member should take responsibility for their work and ensure that their tasks are completed. Other than possessing all the skills which are necessary for the development of the project, the team members should be capable of organising themselves. This will result in the best architectures, requirements and design. When you have a strong team, you want to give that team the autonomy to act independently. This means they can adapt to change quicker. In fact, they can do everything with greater agility because you've given them the trust to act.